Hello and welcome to the best online video editor InVideo with 5 plus real world projects. This is the one of the best tutorial on the planet. My name is Chetan. I am UX designer, freelancer, YouTuber and programmer. To that I have taught over thousands of students in person and online, and I am so excited to be your instructor on this course. As a student, you are going to get access to over 3 hours of actual video content, which contains step-by-step tutorials, interactive projects, exercises and more. I will walk you through entire process step by step as you follow along with me through this course. Are you ready to create videos that will stun your viewers? InVideo is the perfect video maker for everyone who wants to create professional quality video without any design skills. With InVideo's easy drag and drop feature and 5000 plus customizable templates, you can create stunning video in just 15 minutes. Additionally, InVideo's video editor comes power packed with large music library, 40 plus fluid animation and branding capabilities to help you create your own unique video. After walking you through the interface, I will guide you step by step through creating 5 cool real world projects like promotional video for DJI Mavic drone, motion poster for your businesses and local businesses, advertisement for Bugatti Marshall W16, and last one is professional commercial for Lays. I designed this course for all levels of designer and video editors, whether you are a beginner in the field or you are a seasoned video editor who is looking to learn this new tool, that is InVideo. Don't just take my words for it, check out what my past students have to say about my courses. By the way, this course has 30-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you are not satisfied with this course, you can request full refund anytime within 30 days. I also include a bonus section where you can find all more advanced level things. So what are you still waiting for? This course has everything you needed to master InVideo. So join the course and let's get started today with InVideo.